Hello guys and welcome everyone to our channel. In this one I'm showing you how to enable dark mode on Windows 11 taskbar only. So if you want your taskbar, start menu and action center to be dark but everything else white, let's set it up. So firstly, press Windows plus I or just use your start search to open up your settings. Go to Personalization on this left sidebar, click on Colors after. And then you just need to locate the option Choose Your Mode at the top right here. And then set it to Custom, like this. And then as you can see, this is your important step. So under Choose Your Default Windows Mode, you choose Dark. And under Choose Your Default App Mode, choose White, right here, Light. And as you can see, this is what we need. So my taskbar stays black. And even my settings app now is turning to white. So that's pretty much it. All you have to do. Enjoy your customization, guys. If this was helpful, as always, subscribe.